Hey, awesome people! I'm back with a very funny video, right? This is proof that no amount of money you leave in spot trading goes bust. Now, I just came in here and saw that one of my long time trades, like, I don't even think it's less than 4 or 5 months, right? Just executed a couple of days ago. I'm like, what? What? I just had to do this video because you see, let me just take you into my trade history so you'll get to understand. Let me put it here and put in, the filter so that I can show you this because I was actually on a break. Yes, so and when I'm on my break, I try to take my break as much as possible. See it, see it, see it. It got executed a couple of days ago. That's towards the end of Jan. I'm just telling you that this is proof that if you put your money in spot trading, it will not go bust. Now, when this trade started, let me show you the charts. When I placed this trade, I did everything I was supposed to do. Let me go and check one day. One day, you would see it. Can you see that? Can you see that? Let me take you back. You would see how it kept on going up and down. This is one day, time frame. If I put in a month, let me see if I can put a month. Can I put a month? Oh, I don't think it's showing. Okay, yes, 1 month. You will see how this has been really epileptic, really, really epileptic. Yeah, at a point it really grew high, right? Which you can see here. It grew, I mean, that was in January. It started gaining momentum in January. Remember that Trump came into power in the US last month, and that's exactly when it gained strength. Now, why am I showing you this? I mean, I could have just not bothered, but I just wanted to let you know that spot trading is different from futures, totally different from futures. This was a $20 trade. Like I said, I went on break and I just got back, to this channel after like about a month break or something like that. And I'm just looking at it again. I'm like, what are we talking about? It still came back with its profit. Can you see that? 20.43. That means it made a 43%. What am I saying? It made a 43 cents profit, a 43 cents profit, which if you look at it at like 2.2, almost like 2.15%, it still made profit. It came back with profit. Like, of course, this was like almost like a forgotten trade. I was actually just going to forget about it, right? It was one of those probably written off trades that maybe I'll just cash out at a loss, but I just decided to leave it. And I'm pleasantly surprised that eventually it came out of its coma and it still brought profit along with it. So if you have trades, right, that are still pending in spot trading, not futures, let me just give you a quick definition or maybe explanation of the differences between spot trading and futures. Now, for spot trading, you are buying a coin. You're buying a coin when it's most at its vulnerable stage where you think it should be able to go up higher. I deal with gainers, I don't deal with losers, right? So, and when you look at that trade, let me go to the chart. Based on three most important factors. First of all, you look at the different indicators, right? We use two. I use two indicators, which is the SAR and the RSI. So we want to make sure that the SAR is right under the candles. Make sure it's under so that it's pushing it up because it's a momentum indicator, right? And once the SAR is under it, you're sure about that. Okay, at least there will be momentum. Then you couple it with the RSI. The RSI must not be less than 65. All right, between 65 and 79, because that is like the most appropriate time that, okay, you're sure it will still push up, but then it's not at the danger risk of falling down. Okay, so those two things, you make sure that those are working, and then you look at your candle. Your candle should be a full candle. Now, these three dimensions or parameters are my own safeguards. These are my own safeguards that I use, and I try not to tamper with any of them to make sure that they all work together in unity, right? Now, when I choose that trade based on that, two things can happen. My prediction could be very accurate, or maybe something else happens, and then somebody comes and sells off a whole lot of that bunch of coins, and then the price goes down. At that point, that's force majeure. I can't do anything about that. And when that happens, you just gotta wait. You just have to wait. And that waiting period can be very frustrating. Just like this VTHO, very frustrating. At a point, I practically gave up on this coin. It went so low, and I was like, I was just going to cash out on the loss. But I said, just wait. And thank God it paid off. Now, this is a very small amount. I know somebody asked me, why can't you use $500? Why can't you use big amounts? I said, I am using small amounts to let people know that you can make profits with small amounts. And this is my own risk control. That's me. It's my money. It's not your money. It's my own money. That's how much I want to risk. All right. I hope that is very clear. And please, people, don't ask me that question again. I'm sorry if I'm being rude. Yeah, but please don't ask me that question. Like, guys, I've explained it over and over and over and over again. What else do you want me to say? It's my money. I can decide to use $20, $100, $500, $1,000, $5. It's my money. Okay. So now it has executed, and I'm super excited. In fact, I can't remember the video I even recorded to even show you the trade, because I don't know where it is to let you know how long ago this trade is. But I just felt that I should just, take this video. I mean, spontaneous, right? It wasn't planned, but I just felt I should just share this with you. Okay, so I think my favorite part of every trade, right? My favorite part is to, transfer the profits. Okay, yeah, cash out the money. Yeah, so let's do that together. I'm just gonna quickly do that by let me do this quickly, clicking on, the transferring of the money. I love to do that. Let's do transfer. And then what do we do? From spot to funding? I put in the max, and then I confirm it. Yeah. Let it go. That's it. I love it. I love to have like a clean slate. So when I want to trade, I put in more money, and then we do all of that. So guys, that is the story of VTHO. It finally executed. Finally worked. Can you just help me put your hands together for the Lord, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the Almighty God that made this work, right? Thank you, guys. It was nice, videoing this. I mean, it's been a while. Yes, it's been a while. But I'm glad to be back. I'm happy to be back. And we're going to see more. Take care and have a wonderful trading week. Is it week or weekend? Okay, take care. Bye.